Morning guys, here we are at was it Riverbank, isn't it? Rushbank, Rushbank campsite, just to have a look and see whether it's feasible with Dave.
Beautiful.
Alright Dave?
Yeah, that's beautiful.
And then as I say, we've come to here so we can do a little bit of both. We've got a bit of canoeing up the river here. Sun's a bit low. But a beautiful day. And then you've got the campsite over the back of these bushes here. And we're looking for somewhere for an overnighter. And then obviously you've got your toilets and water up this end. It's got all the amenities. Just go behind this hedge and just show you. We'll have to talk to him to see whether we can get more people, you know, is the feasibility, but even if we do a local one ourselves, you know. I think he's got, yeah, he's got all that field there as well. Oh, blimey. I mean, even if you kept a little, you know, little pitches, you know, little squares, little areas. I mean, there's a wooded area. I don't know whether that's his wood over there.
Maybe finding little gems and no one really knows about.
No, that's it. QT. Yeah, so somebody's obviously camping here. They've burnt the grass a bit. We can have the fires, but as long as they're off the ground. And I think he's got plenty of... Oh look, so there's a private sign over there. I think he drinking water on the side of here. The windshield as well with the old...
Yeah.
So you think it's got potential then, Dave?
I think it's lovely.
He's like
For me, you know what I mean? It's not that far away. Obviously you it's even closer, but we can put the canoes in straight down there.
Well, actually it took me half an hour to get through town.
Yeah.
So, but at least you can drive with your car on.
Yeah.
I don't think there's any restrictions like parking, but there again, walking ain't bloody far, is it? Excuse
No,
my...
as soon as I turned out, I put myself, that's it, I want to camp up.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You want to, don't you?
Yeah.
I mean, I only had a quick squint when I came before, but it was in the dark because I was coming through this way. And look, we've even got our own camouflage. Look. I wonder if they hold...
Well, they've got canoeing going on here.
Oh, right.
Yeah, it's canoeing tours they do.
Oh, right, that's part of the...
Yeah.
Oh, right. So you can bring your canoes and...
Rental canoes, but it's quite expensive.
Is it? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We've been
£50 a day.
And you don't have to pay nothing, do you, then? In the beautiful Dedham Vale, this is. The River Stour, whatever they call it. And as I say, there's the toilets. There's the showers. Was there showers?
Wow, there's definitely toilet.
Got washing up facilities, look. You want to degrease the stuff. Toilets. Nearby pubs if you want to. Local hostelries. Three ladies' toilets. And you can also hire your own fire pits. So if people don't want to bring their fire pits, they can keep dogs on lead so you can bring your dogs. Chemical toys then behind the fence. Poo bags. Oh my god. Yeah, beautiful countryside. I reckon it'll be nice and quiet down here at night. No road noise. So here we are, guys. Just arrived at our base camp.
Base camp.
Dave's relaxed. We've canoed about 25 mile, I think. Upstream. It was quite hard, wasn't it, Dave?
Wind against us.
Wind against you. So we found a little secluded spot here which we think is very, very promising. Obviously it's a bit, I was just going to say low tide. The river is a bit low at the moment, and I think it's down, well down, 3 foot. Obviously because we had a dry spell, I suppose with the water, the rain starts, this will come up a bit more. So we had to struggle around that bend round there. Or I did, because I'd put a new a rudder to help me on the tracking, which has worked out quite well actually. And as I say, this is a nice little bit of area. So we were going to stop here and have a little bit of a brew and a chinwag. Yeah, lovely spot. So I'll get back to you later. Right, here is your lesson for filming while using one hand. And it don't work, I tell you, I tried it. I should have got my GoPro out, shouldn't I?
You can't do it, can you?
No.
I tried it, you just ended up doing it.
Do a semicircle. Right, I promise next time I'll have the GoPro out and I won't have to keep stopping and drifting with the wind.
Already go that way,
No, that's right, it's drifting us right the way around, the wind is carrying us. Tracking's working well. Oh. Don't know whether you can see the blue dragon. Can you see the blue dragon? Can't zoom out on this. Come back to you later.